Hi, I'm going to show you the easiest way to make a bootable installer for macOS Ventura. The links will be in the description. One to download macOS Ventura, the other one to download the software, which is by far the easiest way to do it. Forget doing it in the terminal, this stuff makes it easy. Rightio, the other software is called Install Disk Creator. So I've already downloaded the installer for macOS Ventura, which is in the applications folder there. So I'm just going to open up Install Disk Creator. So there it is there. All you've got to do is choose the macOS installer. So you browse to the applications folder, pick the Install Ventura. Right, so that's what we're making our bootable installer from. The second one, you've just got to pick the drive that you want it to go onto. So up the top there, I've got one called Xavier Data. So I'm going to overwrite that and make a bootable installer for Ventura on that. So I pick that one. Then I just go create installer. It just warns me it's going to erase that Xavier disk. So I'll erase disk, enter my macOS password for this computer, OK, and it'll do the business. Now it'll take a while to do it, and it doesn't give you much feedback on that bar graph down the bottom, but it'll do the deal. Rightio, thanks.